ulit mga kalalabs! Welcome back to another vlog! Second vlog natin to ngayong araw. So, bago kami pumunta sa restaurant para kumain ng Kobe beef, punta daw muna tayo dito sa sa temple. Ito na yung temple, Beb? This is it?
That's it.
Oh, okay. Let me...
There's a mosque. You go really close.
Where?
Behind it, you can see if you walk that way. There's a
Oh,
mosque.
I see. Okay. Pakita ko lang sa inyo saglit, mga kalalabs. So, dito sila nagpe-pray. And may incense, yeah. I know, right? And then there's other one here. And then, sa likod niya, may mga restaurants. Alam nyo, ang gustong-gusto ko dito sa sa Japan, there's a lot of hiding na yung parang maliliit na shop or restaurant. Looks so cool. Si Nicole daw, pipicturean ko lang siya saglit. So, dito tayo kakain. Wow. Hello. Oh, okay. Thank you. Wow.
I'm beside Nicole.
It's fine.
I'm sitting wherever the air conditioning goes.
Okay, let me just like
Can you sit
Nicole.
there? Then
I'll sit
Mama
with
sits.
Papa.
Yeah, she doesn't want to sit beside me because I'm cooties.
Yes, excited much.
Okay, listen.
Excited tayo.
Woohoo!
You're a good cook.
Alright.
After you grill, you can dip it with the salt pepper.
Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you. Please enjoy.
Thank you. Look at that beef, mga kalalabs. Oh my gosh. Excited na tayo dyan.
Wow.
Kain po.
Should we grill it now?
Look at that. Oops. Uh-oh, you don't overcook it. Uh-oh. I think you should remove that fat now.
It's fine. It's all ready. So who's gonna get it first?
Nicole, you can give it to Nicole.
Who's Mama?
Or me.
How much do you want?
Alright, and then this is 5 times in 6 times for you.
Okay.
You love medium rare or you love like
Medium rare.
medium?
Medium.
Yeah,
Just medium
Is
rare?
this ready?
It's already,
Yeah.
it's
Okay.
already.
Oh my god, we don't know.
Medium.
Medium. Yeah.
Medium.
Oh my. That's done.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Love it.
Like
Yes.
that one, I recommend you dip with a pepper shot.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Great. Yeah. Thank
And then
you.
here, like the stick, put on the side and take time to grilling, please.
Oh, I see. Okay.
This is the same as sirloin, stick and sirloin.
Okay.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, in the side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Look at that. More.
Your reaction so good. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Kain. Wow. That's malambot. Oh wow. Tastes really good, mga kalabs.
Oh, medium.
Yummy. The next beef, mga kalalabs. Oh. Yan naman may sauce siya. May kasamang sauce. Naka-marinate siya. Yung kanina wala. How is it, Nicole?
Good.
Oh my God, nai-enjoy ni Nicole kasi mahilig siya sa meat din. How is it, love?
It's everything.
You know, it's not a flavor. It's a feeling.
It's a feeling.
I recommend like after you grilling this, you can dip with a barbecue sauce.
Okay,
yeah.
great.
I would
Yeah.
like to pour more water for you.
Yes,
Give me a
please.
second.
Thank you. Nakaka-amaze kasi yung beef, parang talaga siya, hindi mo na siya kailangang nguyain. Talagang nagme-melt siya sa bunganga mo. Yung parang, ano yun? Parang sabi mo, ano yun? Bakit ganun yung
Thank you.
beef?
Here, you beat the barbecue.
Oh my God. Tapos meron palang kasamang rice, garlic rice, yung in-order namin. And then I think it will comes with the dessert as well. So, si Nicole na ang mag-grill ngayon. It's amazing, no? This is amazing beef. 3. Once in a lifetime na ma-try mo siya. You cannot eat this every single day. So, pag punta kayo ng Osaka or sa Japan, you should try Kobe beef kasi special siya sa Japan. You must try. How is it, love? Good? Whoa! More meat! Akala ko kanina last na yun. Meron pa pala. And then you will dip it sa egg. Ayan. Yum! Dessert time! Oh my gosh, we're so full. But anyway, looks so cute. Ayan, kain ulit. Dessert. Ang cute mo. Tapos may tea na kasama. Good? Yeah. Na-enjoy namin yung dinner. It's worth it. Anyway, papunta kami sa American Town. Doon naman tayo mag-ikot-ikot kasi kailangan nating i-burn yung kinain natin. Sobrang na-enjoy namin. Nabusog kami. So, itong nilalakaran namin papunta sa American Town is more on like yung mga high-end brand. Louis Vuitton, Cartier. Wow. So, kasi lagi kami dun sa may sa area ng Don Quixote. So, this is our first time to check out this area. And okay din siya. And masyadong crowded kasi dun sa may bandang Don Quixote. Kasi doon yung pinaka parang tourist spot. Like restaurant.
What, McDonald's?
What? What is it, Nicole?
She saw McDonald's.
Sure. So, oh my gosh. So, kanina pa kami naglalakad-lakad dito sa American Town. Pero yung mga binebenta dito, mga t-shirt, ganyan. Ay, alam nyo ba, pumasok kami sa isang, sa isang shop. May nagustuhan si Nicole na t-shirt. Ngayon, ang sabi nung, nung nandoon, yung nagbebenta, sabi niya, $17 US, sabi niya. So, si Nicole, gusto niya bilhin yung t-shirt. And then, alam niyo, tinrick nila kami na $17 US dollars, ganyan-ganyan. So, sabi ni Nicole, okay, I wanna buy it kasi may pera naman si Nicole. And then, nung magbabayad na kami, I don't know. So, nung magbabayad na kami, yung chinarge niya sa amin, $176 US dollar. So, mag-ingat kayo, i-make sure nyo na tama yung binabayaran nyo. Wala namang masyadong special dito, kaya siguro walang masyadong pumupunta dito. It's more on like clothing na mga anik-anik. But anyway, just be careful kasi pwede kayong matrick ng prices without knowing it.
I don't think it wasn't a scam. It was a little bit of wordplay. So when he said $17, and then he did show us 17,000. So he showed us the price, right? And he did everything. So he did show us. He just probably knows that we were tourists and didn't realize 17,000 is not 1,700.
Yeah,
so then we did it.
It's
and
like
then he didn't want a refund.
Yeah.
But as soon as I said Koban, which is police, right? And the police don't need to, that it's just a refund.
Yeah.
But the police don't want anybody messing with the tourists.
Yeah.
So right away, I said, we'll just go
He
talk to the
doesn't want
Koban,
us,
and then all of a sudden, boom, refund.
Ayaw nila kaming i-refund. It's $176 US dollar yun. Okay lang sana, pero yung nagulat kami kasi we thought it's $17. So, yung $176 US dollars for a t-shirt is too much. Sobrang mahal for a simple t-shirt lang, na black t-shirt. Grabe. Hindi naman siya scam, pero parang pakiramdam ko, yun yung ginagawa ng lalaki. And then, parang hindi naman original yung nandoon. So, dito kami sa GU. Sister ng Uniqlo daw. Let's check kung may mabili tayo dito sa GU. GU. Ay, ang dami yung magaganda. Let's try to find something. You like that, Nicole? It's see-through. Let's find different one. Ganito siya, Be, oh. Magiging ganito siya, oh.
Yeah, I know. I don't like
But you're wearing
a black.
I think, why is it black? You should get something like color like this. It's better look. It's nicer. Right? Kasi black is not, it's so black. It's so black. Okay, let's walk around more.
Oh, I also need like a hair.
Okay, let's look around. Hindi kasi ako nagsusot ng ganito, oh. Ganda siya. Hindi ako mahilig magsuot ng short. Kung mahilig lang talaga ako, nakabili-bili na ako ng ganito. Good morning mga kalalabs. We are on our way to Nara and Kyoto today. So it's almost 7 AM. Kukuha lang kami ni Papa Dave ng kape sa baba, and then we will go. And this is my outfit today. Yan lang. Pants. Di ko alam kung bagay ba. But, yeah. And then Nicole is here. How's your sleep, Nicolette? Good. Looks so pretty today. Ganda naman niya, oh. Ganda ng hair talaga ni Nicolette, oh. Curly. Sasabak na naman tayo sa mainit na panahon. Oh, it's so cloudy today. It's not a blue sky. Good morning, Osaka. Let's explore again. Magte-take tayo ng SkyTrain papuntang Nara and Kyoto. Let's go to Nara and Kyoto, mga kalalabs. Malapit na kami sa SkyTrain station. Dito na lang siya, oh. Ayan. Actually, yung hotel namin, very accessible lahat. SkyTrain, pasyalan, lahat malapit. Kaya, it's really, in the middle of the Osaka City. And si Nicole nasa likod ko, si Papa Dip nasa harap. Kakaloka yung namin. Minsan hindi kami sabay-sabay naglalakad. Kung napapansin nyo sa vlog, kasi nga, nagbablog ako. Nadalihin po kami. Ayan.
We are relying on AI
Sabay
to bring
na
us
kami.
around today. Okay?
Bumili lang kami ng ticket, mga kalalabs. Alam nyo sa Japan, kakaiba talaga yung SkyTrain nila dito, yung station. Sobrang lawak, sobrang haba, sobrang busy. Mawawala ka kaagad. So we bought our ticket. That is going to Nara and Kyoto. Like,
Yeah.
only Nara? So you cannot...
No.
Ah, okay. Thank you. Give me the receipt. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so Nara lang pala na ticket yung binili namin. Kasi we thought we can buy tickets from...
I think we have... Do we have seat numbers? Let me see here. 8-4? No, looks like all the same. So something is 8-4.
Okay. So akala namin makakabili kami ng ticket na papuntang Nara and then sa Kyoto na rin. Pero hindi pala
Probably
pwede.
could have got the ticket from her.
Yeah, I know, right? So anyway, let's go! Nandito na kami sa Nara. It took us 1 hour to get here. Medyo malayo siya. Pero that's okay. We are just going to visit our friend. A lot of friends. Wow. Oh, that looks good. Medyo hindi tayo nakapaghanda. Hindi tayo bumili ng payong. But that's okay kasi saglit lang naman kami dito. So sana is maraming cover. Yung parang maraming puno sa pupuntahan natin para hindi tayo masyadong mababad sa araw. Maraming SPF ang kailangan. At pamaypay. Si Nicole meron siyang dinabili namin electric fan. Ako naman bumili. Ito yung pamaypay na dala-dala namin. So there's a lot of good restaurant as well.
Thinking about this one I want later.
I think so. Hindi namin alam kung kakain kami dito sa Nara or sa Kyoto. Pero I think we need drinks. Kasi kailangan yon dahil matutuyuan tayo ng matutuyuan tayo ng ng laway dahil sa init. Hello mga friendies! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, ang dami nila, B. Si Nicole, natatakot siya. Hindi ka nila kakagatin. Ano ka ba? Don't run, Nicole. Oh my God. Oh my God, so many. Yan sila mga kalalabs. Oh my gosh. Hello. Hello. Let's take a photo. Selfie. Selfie with the ano. Oh my gosh. Ay, ang cute.
That's cheap
Sorry.
too.
Yeah, I know. Sorry naman. Wala kaming cash eh.
Want a hug?
Aww,
Hey, Bella, you
hello.
have food too.
Hello. How are you? How are you? Ah? Wow, it's amazing. I love it.
Right here, one.
Nakakatuwa naman makakita ng deer. It's so beautiful.
What's up, bro?
Oh my, they're so beautiful. Tingnan niya sila. Oh, tingnan niyo to. Oh. Hello. How are you? Nakaka-happy kayong makita talaga.
And you're not so scared.
Punta kayo dito sa Nara, mga kalalabs. You don't need to spend a lot of time here. Okay lang, saglit lang. Hello.
Hey, how are you?
We are done here at Nara. Next destination will be Kyoto. Hindi na namin binisit yung kanilang temple dito because in Kyoto, there's a lot of temples. Pumunta lang talaga kami dito para makita yung mga deer. Some of the tourists will stay here like overnight. Pero kami, we didn't do that.
There are some nice temples and some nice places to see here.
Yeah.
But it's the same as Kyoto, and Kyoto is just nicer.
Yeah.
So it's kind of, you see the deer and move on.
Move on. We will go. We are Go-Go family! Mabilisan lang talaga kami. Nakabili kami ng drinks. Ito yung binili ko. So Nicole, I think it's a... What is that, Nicole? It's a fruit shake?
apple, banana, and peach.
How about you, love? What did you get?
I got a coffee.
Coffee?
Emerald Mountain.
Ah, okay. How is it? Is it good?
Georgia coffee from 1975.
Is it good?
It's beautiful. Full sugar.
Mukhang masarap to, oh. Masarap kaya yan. Titingin kami ng pwedeng bilhin na souvenir. Oh, that looks so cute. Tingnan niyo naman to, oh. Ang cute naman yan. So, bago kami pumunta ng Oh, that's so cute. Can you see? Wow. That looks cute.
I want this.
How much? Buy it. $4. Yeah. $4.40. That looks so cute. Oh, ang ganda, ang cute. Ako nga din, bili rin ako. Uy, isa. But can we will buy this one, okay? It's nice, right? Looks so cute. Bili kami para may souvenir tayo dito sa Nara.
I'm gonna put it on my bag.
Okay, let's go pay. Yay! Souvenir. Sasarap naman. Ewan ko, sasarap, oh.
Social distancing.
Nakabili kami ng souvenir ni Nicole. Sabit namin sa namin, bag namin. Ang cute, di ba, Nicole? We like it. Okay, we are going to the SkyTrain now. Para makapunta na tayo sa Kyoto. Doon na lang kami kakain. Kasi mas maraming doon. Mas maraming restaurant na pwede namin makita at matry. Bye, Nara! Thank you for the beautiful memory. Let's go buy a ticket. Nasa loob na kami ng train, mga kalalas. And we got the express one. So different yung yung sinakyan namin kanina is regular lang siya. So iba yung upuan namin. And this one is different as well. Para lang siyang sa eroplano. Pero mas mahal to. There's a cheaper ticket. This one is more expensive. But it's comfy. But I think it's right. I think it's okay to get the regular as well.
Well, the regular was fine. That's how we got here, right?
Yeah. Kasi yung kanina, yung sinakyan namin, regular lang siya. And pangalan to, mas mura siya kaysa ganitong train. Both is okay. It depends kung ano yung gusto nyong gawin. Kami, okay lang kahit basta makarating sa destinasyon. Hintayin na lang namin umalis to and we will see you at Kyoto. Wala kaming nagawa kundi mag-withdraw ng pera. Usually card lang talaga gamit namin, but we need money to buy tickets and bus ticket. Yan na. Nakabili kami ng ticket papunta dun sa pupuntahan namin, Shinju. Hello, bye! 2 hours later, we're still at the SkyTrain station. Oh my God, Nico. 2 oras na kami nasa station ng SkyTrain. My gosh! Alam nyo, sinubok ng ng Japan ang pasensya ko. Honestly, it's not easy. Well, ang laki ng nila, ng SkyTrain station. And then of course there's like yung sanga-sanga kasi yung nila, 'di ba, station nila. So mawawala ka talaga. Kailangan mong basahin or mag-Google Map ka or something like that. Oh, pahabaan ng pasensya to, be. Hindi pa kami nakakarating sa destination namin. Naubos na yung 20,000 steps namin sa SkyTrain station lang. And then gutom na rin kami. It's already
we need to exercise all that beef up.
Yeah, 11 a.m. My gosh. Kung gaano lang kadali yung Nara na pinuntahan namin. Itong Kyoto ang pinaka pahabaan ng pasensya, be. Kasi Nicole, gutom na yan. Tahimik na eh. I don't know, ang haba hanggang dun pa sa dulo. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami mag-i-exit. We made it, mga kalalabs. So, andito tayo sa Nishiki Market. So, meron din silang mga seafood dito. Ayan, parang lang, kagaya sa Osaka. Di ba may pinuntahan tayo kahapon? So, parang ganun lang din siya. Pero sa Nara tayo. Kyoto. Looks good. Let's find, no. That's good, yeah. Thank you. Let's find somewhere to sit, to have some food, yeah. Ramen. Do you want ramen? Udon. That's udon. Yeah, I don't like it. It's hot. Let's try it later.
It's good.
Wow.
I feel we can find something.
Yeah.
That we like. This would
like,
be great.
oh
right?
wow!
But
Look at that.
there's nowhere to.
Nicole's favorite.
Tempura.
Yummy,
Wow,
tempura. Oh wow, that's big. Tingnan nyo naman to, Sushi. Kala mo totoo. Ang galing. So, meron kami nabiling chicken nuggets. Try natin. Pang snack-snack lang.
Oops. Should have went here and got those.
Yeah, right? So good.
Actually, it is really good, isn't it?
Yeah. Very mild. Not too salty, not too greasy. It's good. So good. Japan. Oh my gosh.
Right now, you can interact with the piglets.
Oh my god, that's so cute. Hello. Amazing. Only in Japan. Oh, tabi kayo to. Tabi kayo to dyan. kaming kumain ng lunch. Bili lang kami ng umbrella. Kasi hindi carry bells. Tapos maglalakad kami sa sa matinding sikat ng araw. Hindi pwedeng walang payong, masakit sa balat. Nagustuhan mo ba yung pagkain, be? Yeah. Gusto niyo yung pagkain? Ako hindi masyado. Hindi ko bet. Sakto lang. Ang mushi-mushi na parang ewan. But, na-enjoy ni Nicole yun ang importante. Pero ako hindi ko siya bet. Lahat ng pagkain bet ko, pero yun hindi. Okay, Family Mart muna kami. Bili kami umbrella. So, may payong na tayo. Ayan si Nicole. Sabi ko sa kanya, gusto mo na isang payong? Sabi niya, wag. Sabi ko, okay. Kasi magagamit din namin to sa Korea. Kasi nga mainit din sa Korea, diba? Hindi mo kakayanin. Pag maglalakad ka dyan, wala namang cover, oh. Dito kami sa may mga temple.
It is freezing out here.
Oh my God. Like, hindi mo kakayanin pag walang Hindi ka dito, B.O. Hindi kayo mainit, oh. Hindi ka kasi nakikinig, eh.
Stop moving.
Stop moving. I need to move. Wait, let's check what they are having here. Ganda dito, oh. I think mas maganda dito pag spring or fall, no? May dala-dala silang mga pamaypay. Oh my gosh. Saan pa ba tayo pupunta dito? I think we are going inside down there. Punta tayo dun sa loob dun. Hindi ko lang alam kung magbabayad ng ticket.
We're gonna go Sangop.
Oh my gosh. Kami. Inom muna kami ng green tea. Maganda din dito mga kalalabs, oh. Kasi uuwi na kami. So, dinadaanan lang namin dito. Yung mga, pwedeng daanan na daw. Hindi na ako makapag-focus kasi, you know what I'm saying.
Give me the umbrella.
Please, oh Nicole, please. Can you just like, please? I need the umbrella. Kailangan natin ng umbrella napakalaki. Ano ba yan, B? Mali naman yan. Mali naman yan, B. Hindi tayo naaanuhan. Ganito, oh.
Ako yung
Ayan, oh.
inaano.
Tingnan nyo, oh. Ang daming masasarap na drinks. Pero, umupo muna kami dun sa coffee shop. Hindi ko na na-vlog. So, nag-take lang kami ng uminom kami ng, ako matcha. Ice matcha. And si Nicole grapefruit yung sa kanya. Oh, kahit na mainit, daming tao. Wow! Meron ba tayong mga t-shirt na pwedeng bilhin dito? Parang ang cute ng t-shirt na yan. Oh, I love that. Looks so nice. Biglaan dumami yung tao. Kanina walang tao eh. So, kailangan talaga ng payong mga kalalabs. Maganda dito, kung kayo yung tipong okay lang sa init ng araw. Ha? What fans? Okay, let's go. Where's Papa Dave? Oh, let's go inside here. Nai-enjoy naman namin siya mga kalalabs, no? Pero, di ba sabi ko naman sa inyo, hindi ako nagko-complain sa Hindi daw nagko-complain sa araw. Hindi daw nagko-complain. Di ba?
Want a hot donut?
Wow, looks so good.
So beautiful here.
Yeah, looks so beautiful.
You can order a ring, 5 to 7 minutes.
Ah. Oh, that's cool. Meron sila mga bracelet.
That's what you look like with long hair.
It's Moana. Oh, wow. Oh, we need that. Kailangan namin. Nag-spray si Kuya. Hindi ko alam kung aakyat pa ba kami dyan, oh.
Just up these stairs and we're like done.
Yeah? Okay. I think hindi namin napuntahan yung famous na temple dito sa Kyoto. Parang sumusuko na rin si Papa Dip sa init. Kaya, we will go home. Nandito na kami sa hotel, mga kalabs. Actually, kanina pa. Nag-shower na ako. At nag-ready na rin kasi mamaya lalabas ulit kami para kumain ng dinner. So, today is our last day. And then tomorrow, we are going to Korea. Alam nyo, hindi namin masyadong na-enjoy yung paglalakad namin sa Kyoto. Sobrang init. Like, grabing kainit. Yung mga pupuntahan sana namin na parang temple, mga ganyan, di namin siya napuntahan. What is the area that we went? It's called Old Town?
Old Navy.
Old Town, right? What do you call that area?
Gyeong.
Ha?
Gyeong.
Gyeong daw. Malay ko. Nakakasad kasi hindi namin napuntahan yung dapat namin puntahan dun. Kaso sobrang layo din. So it's far. We left our hotel around 7. We got home around what time lap? 3? 3:30. Naligo ako kaagad. Walang patumpik-tumpik pa. Naligo na talaga ako. Kasi sabi ko, ay, kailangan ko na maligo dahil, grabe. Hindi kinaya ng power namin yung yung pangalan to, yung init. Mas mainit sa Kyoto kaysa dito sa Osaka. At nagkamali kami, supposed to be dapat ang pinuntahan naming inuna is yung sa Kyoto and then Nara. Kaso lang nauna ang Nara. But it's okay. We enjoyed the walking even though I have a switch. May switch ako. Nagsiswitch ako pag init na ako. Sino bang hindi magkakaroon ng switch, di ba mga kalas? Mainis na mainis ka talaga. But then, we got to sit, got a drink, and then okay naman. And then we got home, we're super tired. And it's already 4:40. Kakain kami ulit mamaya for dinner. Hindi rin kami nagkaroon ng good meal, like lunch. Yung kinainan namin parang, sabi ko nga kanina, hindi ko siya na-enjoy kasi basta meron siyang lasa na hindi ko nagustuhan. So, ayun. Babawi na lang kami sa dinner time mamaya. But then, I will be ending my vlog na here, mga kalalabs. Yun na po yung vlog natin dito sa Japan. Sana po ay na-enjoy nyo yung ating Osaka, Japan vlog. So, first na upload ko is ngayon. Mag-upload pa lang ako because hindi ako napag-upload ng matagal dahil nga mag-i-edit pa ng vlog. Tapos yung internet dito sa hotel namin hindi masyadong nag-work. But hopefully this one will be done. And then mapapanood nyo to tomorrow, August 5, yung mapapanood. So by the time na sinabi ko mapanood nyo to, anong August na yun, diba? So, ayan. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Maraming salamat po. See you on our next vlog, mga kalalabs. Bye-bye from Japan. See you sa South Korea tomorrow. Bye!